Hi there, traders, and welcome to this learning program. And I can tell that you probably make a decision right now to become one of the best VIX70 and synthetic market traders, guys. In this learning program, you guys will be overwhelmed with all of the valuable information that I will share during this learning program. I want you guys to take notes while you're going through this learning program. You must have an A4 notebook and have realistic expectations. This is not an overnight trading strategy. This is going to take some time for you to develop because why it's something new to yourself. So guys, if you traded the synthetic markets for a while, you guys will know the behavior and how price is flowing. It's so much different than the forex markets. So let me just give you guys some of my history. Where do I come from and how did I get started with this trading? So I was introduced to the financial markets by my uncle. He's a stock trader. He's been trading stocks for several years now, and I was asking him the some time back 3 years ago that what is that he's doing on his laptop, and he was saying he's just monitoring and looking out stocks, and I was so interested in this. So like, okay, what is that all about? And he was like, okay, it's all about buying shares of this type of product or business, and you can grow your capital and your investment for the long term. So I decided, I asked him, is there a possibility that I can do it as well? And he told me, yeah, there is a possibility, but it will consume a lot of work and study and a lot of research about the specific company, and I lose interest right away because when I was still young, I was around my 20s, 22, 20, yeah, 21. That was my age when I basically heard about stock trading, and I lose my interest. But several years after that, I go through a life journey, and I was running out of options to do uh basically, yep. And then I came across forex trading. Forex trading is basically the starting point for all of my success that I have until today. That is where everything started for me. I started off with only trading forex, and I was so addicted and becoming so great with the financial markets, and I developed my own trading skills. And there was coming a time that I was basically starting to not like the markets anymore, and I was just taking a break from it. And my friend, who's also a student of me, he was basically trading the VIX75 market, and he was sending me on Telegram photo shots, screenshots of his results that he was making in the VIX75 market, and that was basically triggering me right back to the charts. And I was getting back into the charts, and I started off with the VIX75 market in the beginning from that time. And I was a bit skeptical because why the website binary.com where I was signing up and creating my account, there was no such thing as you must upload your ID, and that was basically treating me like, what is this basically actually is legit? And I started off with the VIX75 market. I didn't actually expect such great success because I was just placing random trades, see what price will do, and I blow many accounts before I actually decided to put my hard time and effort into basically to get this market under control. So once I spent times to basically really understand this market, I basically got my breakthrough in this learn in this on this market of all the 75 market index, and that is where everything starts to unfold for me. And then I decided, okay, I'm gonna trade the VIX 75 for a living now, because why, I understand it, the market understand me, I like the market's behavior, and I know certain stuff, and I like the repetitive stuff. So that is why I make a decision to myself to commit myself to this market for a long run. So that is why I'm basically mastered the skill, and now I'm willing to share the skill to add a value to other people around you. I can ask for this course around 1,000 or $800 or any price that I could actually name it, but I decided just to give it for you guys for $100 because what I know, a lot of guys and a lot of my subscribers are people who don't that that are not financially secure yet. So that is why it will be basically reckless to basically ask a lot of money for a course that I actually make money off. So why just give it for a less price for people who's basically needing it? And I can promise you guys, you will make back your money once you start to implement and applying this type of knowledge into the market. I can guarantee that you will get your money back and even make more from that. And once you start off with this trading course, guys, I want you guys to set realistic goals. The reason for that is you must have realistic goals, because why? Once you not have specific goals, why you gonna start off and take this really serious, that it will not work for you. That's why take it serious. Take out your notebook. You must have a notebook to take notes during this course. You cannot just watch all of this lectures and all of these chapters go through fast. It's not going to be a long course. It's going to be a short one, but you will have a lot of value, guys. You guys will be amazed with all of the simple material and basic information that I'm sharing in this course. So thanks, guys, for anticipating into this course. It's a big welcoming from your mentor, FXGK Millionaire, and I will see you guys on the course.